Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Aman Kumar and I'm a 20 times certified Salesforce developer. Today we are taking down something a lot of people have been asking about, the Salesforce free suite. So Salesforce now offers a completely free package and it actually includes more than you might expect. If you are ever wanted to try Salesforce without the upfront cost, this is the chance. Now, let's see what Salesforce Suite is and how it helps us, or how we can utilize this. Salesforce Free Suite is a no-cost version of Salesforce designed for small teams, startups, and anyone who wants to get up and running with CRM and services and does not want to pay right now, or doesn't have decided right now to take the Salesforce or not, or to move to Salesforce or not. If you want to try it, this is the best suit for you. You should go ahead and take Salesforce suite, try out the features, and then maybe you can make the decision. Now let's see what we get with the free suite and how we can get a free suite for ourselves. So I will put the link in chat. So you need to go to the salesforce.com CRM and free CRM. This is a website where you need to go and you can just click on get free CRM. When you click on this, you will get a form. You don't have to provide any credit card information or anything, just few information like name, your job title, and I click on next. I'll provide the employee count, how many employees do you have, then the company name and the region, and I click on next. I just need to provide my phone number, the email, and I'm good to go. Once I click on sign up for free, I will get an email saying welcome to the Salesforce. You can verify your account from here. It's a URL that's auto-generated from Salesforce side. You can click on verify account. You will land in Salesforce itself. Along with the Salesforce, you also get a Slack account. So it automatically creates a workspace in Slack for you. Similar to verifying your account in Salesforce, you can just click on open Slack and you can follow the steps and you will be good to go with the Slack as well. This is how it will get. So it will be a 30-day business trial package. After that, it will be on a free version, but it's good to try. So you can definitely try how Salesforce work with Slack and the two-way communication and how it helps your business. Now let's see what it provides us with the Salesforce side. Let's go to Salesforce. So in this, you cannot create new apps, but Salesforce provides you out-of-the-box apps like contacts, accounts, sales, services, and marketing. These are the apps that sales will provide out of the box. You can utilize these apps. You can create new apps. And if we explore the sales side, you get leads, contacts, accounts, and opportunities, which are the four most important objects that we use in sales. And much I think most of the functionalities I have worked with is around these four objects. You bring in the lead, you convert it to account and opportunities, you close the opportunity, and you have a customer. So I think this is a very good to start with. And then we also get price books as well. So price book is, we only get a single price book. Can't create a new one like a custom price book as we do in any other org. But here we can just utilize one price book. You can create products in this price book. I have created a test product and added price in the price book. I can utilize that. Also, we get tasks as well. So you will not see the tab here, but if you go on any of the records, you can create a new task from here and you can open the task. Or if you know about Salesforce and the URLs, you can just type the object name here, task, and it will open the list view of the task. You can create new list view or you can see the list views. As we cannot modify these apps, there's no way to add the task tab here. That is on the lower side, but I think we're good as we can access the task from the record itself. And also, if you want to edit the record page, you cannot do that directly from here. But if you go to setup and then type in the app builder and go to Lightning App Builder, and you can see the pages here, and you can edit from here. Like click on account record page, I'll be able to add fields or remove fields or made any changes that I want to. There's no custom component available as we cannot use the API. So with this, I think that is most of the part that is in sales. Also, it provides out of the box web to lead that you can use to bring the leads from your website, or you know web to case where you bring the cases for your service side. So if you are utilizing it for sales, you can bring the web to lead. If you're utilizing it for your service products, then you can bring the cases from your website. Also, we have email to case. So you can use that as well. If you have support email, when you get the emails from customers and create cases in Salesforce, we can do that. So if I go to service part, you will get cases to support your customers. You can get contacts and accounts, and along with that, knowledge. So you also have access to knowledge here, which is pretty important for, I think, on the support side. And then you get analytic as well, which is reports and dashboard. You can create reports from here, and Salesforce out of the box provides some of the reports. So if you go to the collection, you can see the reports that are out of the box, and you can clone these reports or create new ones. And also you can create report types as well. So if I type report types, I can create new report types, but that will be restricted to our standard objects because we cannot create custom objects here. We can create custom fields directly from here or from the setup or from type object manager. We can create from here, but we can directly create fields from here as well, like for all the type objects. And we can modify the stages from here as well. If I want to add any stage to the lead or opportunity, I can do that directly from the button. Or here, I don't even have to go to setup for that. Okay, and then I can utilize the marketing side of this. There's not much on the marketing side. I can only send 100 emails per month. That's very low, but for a starter or for a free shoot, I think that is enough. And it just to try out the things. So I think we are good to go. And you can create list emails. I have created 2 email templates. You can utilize the Lightning, email builder. So it's pretty cool that you have the Lightning builder here, and it's point and click, and you can do all kinds of think modifying or customizing the email without writing any code, and you can attach files, and you can send this email to a single person or a list of people. Let's close it, and then this is on the website side. So I tried a few things like on the app builder, I can create new pages, but I cannot access the record page directly from here. If I go over here, I cannot click on this and edit page because that is not there. Then the customization part where it allows us to write code or create flows. So on the comparison, it says, so if I click on the comparison, I can compare the top features. If I click on this, I can see the features of the starter pre-shoot, starter shoot, and pro shoot. And it says here that I could get 5 flows, but I could not find that because if I go to setup, try to type in flow, I'm not seeing any flow tab here, and I cannot definitely go from here. So I'm not sure how that it will be handled. But if they're saying that we get free flows, and we should get free flows, and then we have the enhanced capabilities like the security of Salesforce without any cost. Then we can use single sign-on like your Gmail or Facebook for signing into the system. You get 2 free users. So I go to company information. I will have 2 licenses free of cost. So 2 licenses are there. I'm using one, and I can create another user and put Salesforce license. I don't print any other license like identity user or any other user that we get in other orgs, but I think that is the purpose. And there's not much on the feature side. So that's almost it. Then we cannot create custom objects. We cannot create custom apps. We cannot create sandbox for testing. We cannot utilize the app exchange. But from a starting perspective, I think this is pretty amazing that you can utilize, you can see the Salesforce, you can give a demo if it works for you, if the UI works for you. I think you can utilize all those things, and that too with the Salesforce security. The Salesforce security will, it's the utmost part because now in the days of cloud, the security is the priority for everyone. Your customer data, your own data, metadata, everything is needs to be secured, and Salesforce provides this for free. So I think it's pretty good. If you want to try it, it's good for a startup, any small team or a freelancer or a customer support team, anyone evaluating Salesforce. I think you should definitely give it a try, see how it goes. If you are good or if you are satisfied, like I should be going with Salesforce, should be exploring it. You can then upgrade your licenses as need basis. I think this is pretty good for, and it's a nice product that Salesforce recently launched. If you want to deeper dive or set up tutorial or anything specifically for the free CRM, just pin that in comment, and I will be happy to make a new video for that. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.